Prepare 5 meters of pearls, 4 meters of pearls, 2 meters of pearls, 1.5 meters of pearls, magnetic buckle, pearl needle, pearl fire wire, and 207 of wire. One line through the pearl needle, through a pearl, a 2-meter pearl, a total of 4 sets. Empty the needle from the bottom back through the pearl and the pearl, then round the line to reinforce. Cut off the short end of the 2 knots and insert 3 cards into the pearl. Go back through the pearl on the line and go through the same step on the other pearl 3 times. Insert 1.5 meters of pearls through a pearl that is close to the pearl in front, and go back through the first 1.5 meters of pearls on the wire. Then put on 1.5 meters of pearls, followed by 2 meters of pearls, and then 5 meters of pearls. Go back through 2 beads and put on 1.5 meters of beads from the beginning of 1.5. 2 beads. Pass the wire through the nearby pearl, and then through the 2 beads on the wire. Add a pearl and go through the 2 beads on the wire. Pass the pearl through the hole and adjust it. Put the wire through the rice bead at the bottom of the top, and then through the rice bead at the top. Insert the magnetic buckle, insert the nearest bead and strengthen it. Wrap the wire around to the other end. Rice